everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to disable calls on Snapchat. So for that, open the Snapchat application. Once you open the Snapchat, you need to go to the home page. Here on the Snapchat, you need to tap on the setting icon on the top right. Snapchat does not offer a direct option that allows disabling calls, but there is still a way to disable the calls from a user, and that is by selecting the conversation and switching to the silent option. So how you can do that is go back, tap upon your message. So to disable call, what you need to do is you need to go to your conversation and pick a message to the user which you want to disable the calls. For that, tap and hold the conversation to reveal some options. From the options pop out, you need to tap on chat settings. Inside chat settings, you need to tap on the message notification. Tap that and the toggle will move to the left side. This way you have chosen the silent option for the notification, which means you will no longer receive call from this user anymore. So if you want to disable calls from another user, Snapchat users, you will have to go particularly on their conversation page and mute the notification, that is the message notification, which way you will not be getting any calls on Snapchat or the notification from that user. So this is the only way how you can disable call on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.